Let me ask you something. How many tabs do you have open right now in your life? I'm not talking about your browser. I'm talking about your actual life. The Instagram page you follow about digital marketing, the YouTube channel teaching you coding, the friend who is killing it in crypto, the cousin who just got into IIM, the LinkedIn post about passive income, the podcast about startups, the book about philosophy, the courses you bought but never finished, the business idea you're thinking about, the government job exam you might prepare for. That's not focus, that's panic. And if you're feeling that panic right now, you are not alone. So here's something nobody talks about. Your grandfather had one choice. He would become what his father was. Done? No question. Your parents had a few choices: doctor, engineer, maybe a job in the private sector. That's it. But you have infinite choices. And I'm about to tell you why that's actually a curse. There's a psychological phenomenon called the paradox of choice. The more options you have, the more confused you become. The more you doubt yourself, the more paralyzed you feel. The more paralyzed you feel, and the less happy you actually are. Think about it in this way. When you go to a restaurant with 500 items on the menu, do you feel satisfied or you feel more overwhelmed and confused what to order, what to eat? It's the same with your life right now. Now, why this is happening? This isn't your fault. Let me be very clear about that. This isn't your fault at all. You are born into a world designed to confuse you. Social media. It shows you 50 different versions of success every single day. Everyone's a founder, everyone is rich, everyone has figured it out before 25. Everyone has figured it out except you, right? Your parents, they gave you freedom, a safety net, money maybe. They said, beta, do whatever makes you happy. And that sounds beautiful. It sounds progressive. But do you know what it actually is? It's a curse wrapped in love. Because now you have no reason to choose. Nobody is forcing you. So you wander. You try everything, but finish nothing. And you blame yourself for it. But here's the truth that nobody tells you. The person with no options, they are not confused. The factory worker who knows he has to earn INR 500 today to feed his family, he's not confused. He knows exactly what to do. But you have safety nets, you have options, you have time, and that's literally what's destroying you. Let me paint a picture. It's 6 a.m., your alarm goes off. You wake up with this heaviness, the weight in your chest, and you know exactly what it is. It's not anxiety about what you're doing today. It's anxiety what you are not doing. Someone starting a business, someone studying UPSC, someone's working at a startup, someone's making content, someone is studying abroad, someone's doing an MBA, and you are doing a little bit of everything and a lot of nothing. You tell yourself, I am hedging my bets. I am keeping my options open. I am diversifying. But you know what that actually is? That's a nice word for chickening out. You don't have the courage to pick one thing and go all in. So you pick a little bit of everything. And guess what happens? Everything suffers. Your job suffers because you are thinking about your business. Your business suffers because you're thinking about that online course that you started. Your relationship suffers because you are scrolling through LinkedIn to do what something new. Your health suffers because you are spending 3 hours a day consuming motivational content instead of actually doing anything. You are not confused because you don't know what to do. You are confused because you refuse to choose one. Now, let me show you something. Open Instagram right now. Seriously, open your Instagram right now. Now, go to your explore page. What do you see? A guy who made 1 crore in his first year of business, a girl who quit her job and travels the world, a person who cracked IAS in the first attempt, a YouTuber with 10 million subscribers at the age of 22. And then there's you, still trying to figure out which LinkedIn course to take again. So here's what's happening. Social media is showing you the highlight reel of 8 billion people, and you are comparing it to the behind the scenes of your own life. Of course, you feel like shit. That's not a fair comparison. But here's what really bothers me. It's not just that you see other people's success. It's that you see so many different versions of success. Last week, someone told you to do an MBA and move abroad. Now, this week, someone's telling you MBA is a waste of time. Last month, you thought startups were the best way. Now, this month, you saw a post about how 90% startups fail. Last year, you wanted to work for a big company. Now, this year, everyone's saying, don't sacrifice your mental health for corporate slavery, make your own corporate world, or open your own startup. So, what are you supposed to do? You have contradictory advice coming from every direction. And instead of trusting your own gut, you trust the person with most followers, the person with most views, the person who sounds most confident, even if they don't know your life, even if they don't know your circumstance, even if what worked for them will never work for you. And that's why you are confused. I want to tell you what confusion actually cost you. It costs you your time. And time is the one thing you can't get back ever. You are 22, you are thinking, okay, I have 40 years, I can afford to waste a few years figuring it out. No, you can't. Because those are the years when you build momentum. Those are the years when you develop your skills. Those are the years when you are hungry and willing to work 16 hours a day. But instead, you are spending 5 hours watching an inspiring video. You are spending 3 hours a day doom scrolling through social media. You are spending 2 hours a day overthinking your life choices. And by the time you finally decide, you are 30 and you are burned out. Now, confusion also costs you money. You buy courses, you don't finish. You spend money on multiple things at the same time. You start a business without commitment, it fails. You lose money. You join a coaching center for UPSC, then another, then another, then another. You are hemorrhaging money because you are not making any real choice. But most importantly, confusion costs you your self-respect. Every single day that you're confused and doing nothing about it, you lose a little bit of your self-respect. You tell yourself you're going to decide next week. Next week comes, next week goes. You tell yourself you're going to commit by next month. Next month comes and goes. And slowly, you start to believe that you are the problem, that you are not capable, you are not smart enough, you are not hardworking. But you are not the problem, your strategy is the problem. Now I'm going to tell you something that will change everything. But only if you're brave enough to actually do it. Here's the thing about confused people. They think they need more information. They think if they watch one more video, take one more course, or ask one more person for advice, everything will suddenly become clear. No, it won't, and it never become. You don't need more information. You need to make a decision, full stop. So here's what I want you to do. Stop this video. Take a piece of paper. Now write down 5 things you are interested in right now. Not the things you should be interested in. The things you are actually interested in right now, in this moment. Now pick one, just one. The one that you are being honest with yourself, that makes you feel something, a little spark, a little excitement. That's your answer. Now here's the hard part. You are going to ignore everything else for the next 90 days. Ignore the crypto guy. Ignore the MBA post. Ignore the startup hype. Ignore the UPSC prep videos. Ignore your friend who just got promotion. Ignore your cousin who's traveling the world. Ignore everything. Most of you won't. Because commitment is scary. You are going to focus on one thing for 90 days. Just 90 days. Can you do that? Now, why commitment is the answer? Think about a smartphone. When you're using Instagram, it's using 30% of the processor. Now, when you're using YouTube, it's again using 30% of the processor. Now, when you're using three apps at the same time, suddenly the phone is sluggish. It's slow. It's freezing. It's not because the phone is weak. It's because the sources are divided. You are that phone. Your brain is that processor. And right now, you are running 47 applications at the same time. So, of course, you're slow. Of course, you're confused. Of course, you are not moving forward. Your life becomes sluggish. But imagine if you close the 46 application. Imagine if you put 95% of your processor power into one thing. What do you think would happen? You'd be unstoppable. You'd learn things in 3 months that would take other people 2 years. You'll develop skills at a speed that surprises even you. And most importantly, you'd start to believe in yourself again. Because for the first time in years, you'd actually see your progress. Your real progress, not fake progress. I'm not preparing this and that progress. Real progress. Actual, tangible, visible progress. That feeling of progressing, that's what kill confusion. Now I know what you are thinking. You are thinking, what if I choose wrong? What if I pick the wrong thing? What if I spend 90 days on something and it doesn't work out? Fair question. Fair question. Here's the answer that will set you free. Most decisions in life are reversible. You pick a field to study, you can change later. You start a business, you can stop. You move to a new city, you can come back. You take a job, you can quit. Seriously, how many doors in your life are actually permanent? How many decisions can't be reversed? Maybe 1 out of 100 or 1 out of 1,000. But we spend 95% of our mental energy worrying about the reversible decisions. Stop it. Just stop. Pick one thing, go all in for 90 days. If it doesn't work, you step back, you pick something else, and you go all in again. That's it. That's the entire formula. Do you know what's actually irreversible? Wasting your youth being confused. That's irreversible. Time spent in indecisions that you can never get back. You can't go back and redo your 22-year-old self decision. You can't go back and tell your 20-year-old self to stop overthinking and just pick something. But you can do that today. You can decide right now that from tomorrow morning, you are going to stop this cycle of confusion. You are going to pick one thing. You are going to commit to it fully. You are going to see it through. And if it doesn't work, you will do it again with something else. But you will not sit in this purgatory of confusion anymore. You will not spend another day watching other people live their life. You will not spend another hour doom scrolling and feeling like shit about yourself. I want you to imagine something. It's 10 years from now. You're sitting with a friend and they ask you, hey, remember in 2026 when you were so confused about your life? What happened? How did you finally figure it out? Now, what are you going to tell them? Are you going to say, yeah, I watched a lot of videos and eventually the confusion went away? No. You are going to say, I got tired of being confused. So I picked something. I committed to it and that changed everything. That's the story you want to tell. Not a story of confusion, but a story of courage. Because here people don't understand. Clarity doesn't come before action. Clarity always comes after an action. You don't figure out about your life by thinking about it. You can figure it out by living it, by moving forward, by moving ahead. Even if you're moving in the wrong direction, at least you're moving. And people who keep moving, they eventually find the right path. But people who sit still trying to figure things out, they are still sitting. Let them sit. You figure it out in 90 days from today. So here's what I want you to do. After this video ends, Don't immediately go to the next video. Don't doom scroll through Instagram. Don't open YouTube and fall down another rabbit hole. Take 15 minutes, just 15 minutes. Sit alone. Think about what you actually want. Not what your parents want, not what your friends want, not what social media is telling you to do. Just what you want. Just what you actually want. What makes you feel alive? What would you do even if nobody was watching? Write it down. That's your answer. And then tomorrow morning, you start. You don't start the next week. You don't start next month. You start tomorrow. You dedicate the next 90 days to one thing. You tell your friends, I'm committed to this for 90 days. You tell your family, I'm focused on this for 90 days. You tell yourself, I am doing this for 90 days. And you see what happens next. I'm telling you this because I see so many talented people, so many intelligent people, so many capable people wasting their potential being confused. And it really breaks my heart. Because confusion is not a permanent condition, it's a choice. Every single day you choose to stay confused. Every single day you choose to keep your options open. Every single day you choose not to commit. And I'm asking you, what if you choose differently? What if tomorrow you woke up with a decision? Not a perfect decision, just a decision. What if you committed fully? What if it gave you everything you had? Not for years, just for 90 days. What would be different? How would you be different? I believe in you. I believe you're capable of so much more than you think. But belief without action is just a noise. So it's time for action. It's time to stop being confused. It's time to start. If this resonated with you, like if you are tired of being confused. Comment what one thing you are going to commit to for 90 days. Subscribe because next video I'm showing you how to actually stay committed. Because confusion is a luxury you can no longer afford. The world doesn't wait for confused people, so stop being confused, start being legendary.